बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डॉक्टर फौज़ान अख्तर साहब, इन्होंने मुंबई से ये सवाल किया है। माय क्वेश्चन इज़, आई हैव वन डाउटर, आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन ए स्कीम रन बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना। इन्वेस्टमेंट इन दिस इज़ हलाल और हराम? इफ़ यू हैव any better suggestions, please tell. Dear brother Fauzan Akhtar Sahab, very good question you are asking about Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, because it is running by central government. So very simple way of halal or haram, let me explain you. Inshallah I will try to my best. First thing, if in Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana government including some percentage by only government to develop education system or any other systems for females or for girls, so it is completely halal for you, no problem, you can take it and you can do it. But if there is some interest include in this scheme and bank paying you some money by interest, so it is not halal for you. So it is two ways. So kindly request you, first you should be read all terms and conditions about it, and you should be visit any government office. There is they are providing Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana services, so you will take more information about it. So my request to you, first you should be understand about this scheme. In scheme, money or earning or profit, anything, returns will be come back from which way? By central government or by bank interest. So two ways. If by central government, it is halal, no problem. But if will come by bank interest or percentage, so it is not will be halal for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.